Google Photos can remove the fence. This is something people have been waiting for a long time. Now it's here. So step one, you must be using Google Photos, not the Samsung Gallery or Apple Photos. It's Google Photos. Then find the picture. So here's the picture of the monkey behind the fence. I tap Edit, and then this special feature called Help Me Edit. And not everybody has it. It's been rolling out. It's also maybe not available in all countries. But if you have it, you just talk to it. I tap on it and I say, remove the fence. And then go. And it goes blurry while it does its magic. And voila! Gee, I think it did an even better job this time than it did for my sample there. And then you just save, and it, on the Android anyway, it's save as copy. So your original is still there, but you also have this copy with the fence removed. Now I noticed these black lines. Well, if you go back to the original, you'll see that he's leaning against the fence, so it's indenting his fur. It doesn't take that away, but it takes the fence away.